What's going on, everybody? It's Wendell here at BrandSmart, and I'm here to give you another product review of the new Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. So why waste any more time? Let's dive right into it. Weighing in at 2.79 pounds, the Surface Laptop 3 is lightweight yet powerful enough to handle demanding applications. Also, it can last up to 11 and a half hours of video playback, so you can work or relax all day long. Powered by a 10th gen Intel Core i5 quad-core processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM, the Surface Laptop 3 can efficiently multitask and quickly access frequently used files and programs. For storing your photos, videos, and files, it's equipped with a 128 gigabyte SSD, which provides you with fast boot and load time. The Surface Laptop 3 also features a fabric-covered palm rest for added comfort. It has a 2256 by 1504 resolution and thin bezels for a more immersive viewing experience. With the Surface Laptop 3, it's very easy to navigate through all the applications with just one touch of a finger, thanks to the 13.5-inch touchscreen. It also supports multi-touch, so you can utilize touch gestures and commands within Windows 10 Home to enhance its accessibility and efficiency. Other integrated features include a 720p webcam with Windows Hello sign-in, integrated dual far-field microphones, omnisonic speakers, and a 3.5mm mic and headphone combo jack. Windows 10 Home is the installed operating system. All right, folks, there you have it, the new Microsoft Surface Laptop 3, right here at BrandSmart USA.